Super Showdown 2019 match card and results. The Usos versus the Revival. The winners of this match, the Usos. Seth Rollins versus Baron Corbin for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match was Seth Rollins, retaining his Universal Champion. Damon Finn Balor versus Andrade for the Intercontinental Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the Intercontinental Champion, was Damon Finn Balor. Roman Reigns versus Shane McMahon. The winner of this match was Shane McMahon. The Lucha House Party versus Lars Sullivan in a 3-on-1 handicap match. The winner of this match was Lars Sullivan via disqualification. Triple H versus Randy Orton. The winner of this match was Randy Orton. Braun Strowman versus Bobby Lashley. The winner of this match was Braun Strowman. Kofi Kingston versus Dolph Ziggler for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the WWE Champion, was Kofi Kingston. 50-man Battle Royal. The winner of the Battle Royal was Mansoor. Undertaker versus Goldberg. Legend versus Legend. Icon versus Icon. The winner of this match was The Undertaker. That's all for Super Showdown 2019. We'll see you guys in the next video.